If you've ever wondered how to make your images pop with that classic comic book vibe, today's tutorial is just what you need. I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process to create a dotted halftone effect in Photoshop. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your photos into eye-catching dotted artworks, perfect for posters, social media, or any project where you want to add some punchy visual interest. All right, let's dive in and get started. First things first, go ahead and open up Photoshop and load the image you want to work with. Once your photo is ready, we're going to make a duplicate of the layer. This is a safe way to work, so you're never editing your original image directly. To do this, right-click on your layer in the Layers panel and choose Duplicate Layer. You can even rename the new layer to keep things organized if you'd like. Now, with your duplicated layer selected, make sure you're working non-destructively. Click up at the top menu where it says Layer, go to New Adjustment Layer, and then choose Black and White. This will turn your image into a monochrome, which helps the halftone effect stand out much more. Don't worry if your photo looks a bit flat at this point. Remember, this is just the setup for that bold, dotted pattern. After you've confirmed those settings, we'll need to add a new layer on top. Click Layer New, and then Layer to create a blank layer. This layer will add some brightness contrast. With this blank layer selected, go up to Edit and choose Fill. In the dialog box that pops up, select 50% gray and hit OK. That fill of gray is going to help the halftone filter read your image evenly, giving you a more controlled effect. Here's a quick tip. Before you apply any effects, right-click on your gray-filled layer and convert it to a smart object. This is super important. It allows you to change and tweak the filter effects later without losing quality or having to undo everything and start over. Think of it as putting your layer in a protective sleeve so you can safely experiment as much as you want. Now, the real magic starts. Head over to the top menu, click Filter, and select Filter Gallery. In the Gallery window, look through the drop-down options. Find the Distort category, and then click on Diffuse Glow. What you're looking for here is an option called Halftone Pattern. Sometimes you need to search a little, but it's worth it. Once you find it, go ahead and adjust the pattern to your liking. Drag the sliders to change the dot size and contrast. Watch the image preview to see how the effect develops. The perfect settings depend a lot on your photo, so take your time here and dial in a look you love. If you want even more texture, hit the little plus icon below to add another effect. I recommend going for Torn Edges. This gives your halftone some unique, rough borders, almost like a vintage comic print. Again, click OK when you're done, and let Photoshop apply those changes. After that, you'll want to blend the halftone with your underlying image. Set the blending mode for the Smart Object layer to Hard Mix. This makes the dots punch through the original image, giving you more of that bold, graphic look. Finally, reduce the fill of the layer a little bit if it looks too harsh. Just lower it in the Layers panel until the effect fits your image perfectly. You can always fine-tune this part, so don't worry if it takes a few tries. And that's it. You've just created a stunning dotted halftone effect from scratch. If you found these steps helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more creative Photoshop tutorials. Drop any questions or ideas in the comments. I always love hearing from you and helping out. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.